What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So what is Tesla doing? Well, as of right now, it looks like it is dropping down lower since basically last week and is headed towards the support of 383 and maybe even the measurement target of 325, 326. So as you can see here, this was one leg down right here with the two legs inside of it. So one leg down right here, second leg, as you can see here, and then it became one large leg. And at the same time, or just a little bit later, price made two legs up. So one leg up right here, second leg up. So whenever the market makes a large drop and it makes a correction, there's a good chance it can make another large drop in the future. So I dragged this over where the correction ended. So again, that's where I came to the conclusion of the lower 300s is the next target for Tesla. However, it's not so fast. You have to look at the both sides of the story, the bullish side. So we are approaching support, the 382. This is where price did bottom out at before. So the bears would have to push through that level. And also, we did break through this trend line right here off the two swings, but did we maybe just get into a more shallower trend line? Again, we have to just wait and see. So as of right now, it's not clear which direction it wants to go, but I would say it's more clear it's headed towards the downside, at least to the support level 383 and maybe even the 322 lower 300 level, 325. There's a slight little trend line right here. But again, this is very minor. Whenever a trend line is like shallow, like this case, again, it's not as strong. So we'll see if this trend line does anything. I'll keep it on the chart. We'll see what happens. But as of right now, earnings report is in a couple of days. So next time I'll give you guys an update will be on Monday, most likely. So it'll be after the earnings report. A lot of times when you have a measurement target in play towards the downside and price is headed towards that level with earnings report just a couple of days prior, there's a good chance we could see a gap down right to that level. So I wouldn't be shocked to see it. However, if price gets to the 380 level and then bounces off of it, that earnings report could send price flying up higher. So we'll have to wait and see. I think we're seeing a little bit of indecision today. This is a doji bar. So I think most traders are going to be exiting their positions, waiting to find out what happens next from this earnings report. But as right now, it is looking likely we do see a bigger correction down lower, and it'll be more apparent on the weekly chart. Here's a look at the weekly chart. We have a nice uptrend in play. You can see that we have 3 touches on the bottom, and then you drag up the line, the same line, a parallel line to the top, and that's exactly where price reached from this peak right here. You see that's exactly where price bounced off of. Also, not exactly, but very, very close. And this is the measurement target as well. One leg up right here, second leg up, reach the target. That can lead to a bigger correction, and it looks like that's exactly what price is doing. We're a little bit overextended from the EMA as well at the 346 level. So all that being said, with the measurement target being reached in the macro picture at the top of the channel, overextended from the EMA, that's why we're seeing the short-term price action go down instead of up, because the macro picture is bearish, or excuse me, in this case it is bearish just right now, so it's dragging down that short-term price action well. So just imagine something like this. Let's say we have an uptrend in the macro sense for the past couple of years. Now let's say you see a downtrend. Right? Let me go and draw that out. So if you focus on this downtrend, you think, okay, it's over, we're in a downtrend, but you're ignoring the macro uptrend in play. So that's the same thing for Tesla. Right now, we are in a downtrend because the macro picture said it was due for a correction. So that's where we're seeing the correction take place. And as right now, we're just waiting for a bigger correction to finish. So it could finish sooner, it could finish later, but as right now, it looks like it's still headed lower towards the lower 300 level. So that's all I have for Tesla on the daily, weekly charts. I'll give you guys an update most likely after the earnings report. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.